Knuckle joint. Knuckle joint. Capital D equal to diameter of each rod. D1 equal to enlarged die of each rod. Small d equal to die of knuckle pin. D naught equal to outer die of eye or fork. A equal to thickness of each eye of fork. B equal to thickness of eye end of rod B. D1 equal to dia of pinhead. X equal to distance from center of fork. Radius capital R from the eye. Knuckle joint. Knuckle joint used to connect two rods whose axes either coincide or intersect and lie in the same plane. Used to transmit axial tensile force. Main pairs of knuckle joint are eye, fork and pin. This is also known as forked pin joint. Advantage of knuckle joint: simple to design and manufacture. Low cost and more reliable due to less number of components. Assemble and dismantling is quick and simple. Application of knuckle joint: between link of bicycle chain, joint between tractor and trolley, joint between link of suspension bridge, joint between valve mechanism of reciprocating engine, fulcrum for the levers, joint between tie bar in the roof trusses. Design of knuckle joint: first, design of rod. Capital D is greater than equal to root 4p by sigma t into pi, where sigma t equal to tensile stress. Design of pin: shear failure of pin. Tau induced is less than equal to tau permissible. Tau permissible is greater than equal to p by 2 into area, where area equal to pi by 4 into small d square. Second, bending failure of pin. M equal to p by 2 into x minus p by 2 into z. M equal to p by 2 into a by 3 plus b by 2 minus p by 2 into 1 by 2 into b by 2. M equal to p by 2 into a by 3 plus b by 4. For safe design, sigma b induced is less than equal to sigma permissible. Sigma permissible is greater than equal to 32 m by pi small d cube. Knuckle joint. Design of pin. Third, crushing failure of pin in I. Sigma c equal to p by b into d, where sigma c equal to crushing stress. Fourth, crushing failure of pin in fork. Sigma c equal to p by 2 into a into d, where sigma c equal to crushing stress. Design of I. Tensile failure of I. Sigma t equal to p by d into d naught minus d, where sigma t equal to tensile stress. Shear failure of I. Tau equal to p by 2 into b into d naught minus d by 2. Tau equal to p by b into d naught minus d, where tau equal to shear stress. Design of fork. First, tensile failure of fork. Sigma t equal to p by 2a into d naught minus d. Here 2 is shows because fork has 2 eye. sigma t equal to tensile stress. Second, shear failure of fork, tau equal to p by 2a into d naught minus d. 2 represents each fork experience double shear.